Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice chute funnel on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the ice and water dispenser control assembly. With the screws unthreaded, pull the assembly down. Disconnect the wire connector and release the wire from the retainer. If still intact, you can pull the old ice chute funnel free of the assembly. To install the new ice chute funnel, align the funnel tabs with the tabs and slot in the dispenser control assembly and snap the funnel into place. Reinstall the dispenser control assembly by reconnecting the wire connector and securing the wire in the retainer. Feed the water line into the hole in the assembly as you insert the tab on the rear of the funnel into the slot in the dispenser housing. Rethread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.